I cleaned the internal circuitry, all of it. Okay, so it looks good now. Then I program the clock. The time is around 3:45 p.m. And I just would like to operate the bin pan. It's working. This is the bin pan. So whatever smoke coming from inside, this pan here will operate. It will move out any smoke coming from inside, going out to this one. This two opening goes to the duct, which is connected to the bin. So right now, this microwave oven is operating using its bin pan. Actually, we could increase the speed of the bin pan. Okay. One more time. That's the fastest rotation of the bin pan. Slower. And the knob. So there's nothing wrong with the microwave oven. It just so happened that when we try to operate one time heating a glass of water for 1 minute, it got smoke inside and there's a burnt, something like a rubber coming out. Okay, that's it. Even the bin post maybe. Okay, it works. It works. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J.